Once upon a time, in a beautiful castle, there lived a young princess named Lily. She was kind, brave, and always curious about the world outside the castle walls. One sunny morning, while exploring the castle's old library, Princess Lily found a small, golden key hidden in a dusty book. The key was shiny and had tiny stars engraved on it. Lily had never seen such a key before, and she wondered what it could open. She took the key to the king, her father, and asked, "Father, do you know what this key is for?" The king looked at the key closely. He smiled and said, "Ah, this is the magic key. My dear, it was given to our family many years ago. It can open special doors that lead to magical places, but no one has found these doors for a long time." Princess Lily was very excited. She wanted to find these magical doors and explore the places they led to. "May I keep the key, Father?" she asked. The king nodded. "Yes, but be careful, Lily. Magic can be wonderful, but it can also be dangerous. Promise me you will be safe." "I promise," said Lily happily. She ran back to her room, holding the key tightly in her hand. She felt that this was the beginning of an exciting adventure. The next day, Princess Lily decided to search the castle for any hidden doors. She looked in the big halls, the dark basements, and even the tallest towers, but she didn't find any magical door. Feeling a little disappointed, she sat down in the garden to rest. As she was thinking about where else to look, a small, sparkling bird flew down and landed next to her. The bird was very pretty, with feathers that shone like rainbows. "Hello, little bird," said Lily, smiling. "Have you come to cheer me up?" The bird chirped happily and hopped closer. Then it flew a few steps ahead and looked back at her, as if asking her to follow. "Do you know something about the magic key?" asked Lily. The bird chirped again and started flying slowly towards the old castle gate. Lily followed the bird, her heart beating fast with excitement. The bird led her through the castle gardens and past the tall, ancient trees. They walked for a long time until they reached a hidden corner of the garden. There, covered in ivy and moss, was a small, old door that Lily had never seen before. Her hands trembled as she took out the golden key and placed it in the lock. The key fit perfectly. With a soft click, the door slowly opened, revealing a shining, magical world inside. Lily stepped through the door and found herself in a magical forest. The trees glowed with a soft, golden light, and colorful flowers filled the air with a sweet fragrance. Magical creatures like fairies and talking animals roamed freely. It was the most beautiful place Lily had ever seen. As she explored, she met a friendly squirrel named Nutty. "Welcome to the enchanted forest, Princess," Nutty said cheerfully. Lily showed him the golden key. This key opened a hidden door in my castle's garden, and it led me here." "That's the magic key," Nutty exclaimed. "It can open many doors in the enchanted forest, but be careful. Some places are wonderful, while others can be dangerous." Lily asked Nutty to show her around, and he gladly agreed. He showed her the sparkling river, where water fairies danced, and the whispering tree that told stories of old times. As they walked, Lily noticed a small cottage hidden among the trees and asked who lived there. "That's the wise owl's house," Nutty explained. "She knows many secrets. Maybe she can tell you more about the magic key." Lily and Nutty knocked on the door, and the wise owl, with her big glasses and kind smile, welcomed them inside. "Hello, Princess. I've been expecting you," she said warmly. Inside the cozy cottage, the wise owl explained, "The magic key is very special. It can unlock the greatest treasure of all, the treasure of kindness. To find it, you must complete 3 tasks." Lily asked eagerly. "What are these tasks?" "The first task is to help someone in need," the wise owl said. "Use your kindness and courage to make a difference." Lily and Nutty soon heard a soft crying sound and followed it to a tiny fairy trapped in a spider's web. The fairy was struggling to get free, but the web was too strong. "Please help me," the fairy cried. Lily carefully broke the web with a stick, freeing the fairy. "Thank you so much," said the fairy. "You have completed the first task, Princess. The next door will now be open for you." The fairy waved her tiny wand, and a new path appeared in the forest, leading to another glowing door. Lily felt hopeful and excited as she walked towards it, ready for her next adventure. Lily and Nutty reached the blue door. Using the magic key, they entered a land of colorful clouds and floating islands. There they met a friendly dragon named Skylar, who was sad because he lost his favorite shiny star in the cloud sea. "Can you help me find my star?" Skylar asked. Lily and Nutty agreed and searched everywhere. They finally found the star stuck in a silver cloud tree. Lily retrieved it and gave it back to Skylar, who was overjoyed. "Thank you. You've completed the second task. The next door is open for you," Skylar said, and a golden door appeared. Lily and Nutty opened the door and found a grand hall with a chest in the center. Inside the chest were glowing hearts, filled with different kinds of kindness, love, courage, and hope. Lily realized this was the true treasure. The wise owl appeared and said, "You found the real magic of the key, the power to spread kindness." Lily returned to her castle, keeping the magic key close, ready for more adventures. She knew that with kindness and courage, she could unlock any door and find magic wherever she went.